Yesterday we studied about the internal structure of rhizome, root and petiole. Today we study about the CS of leaflet of Marsilea. In Marsilea, the transverse or vertical section the vertical section of leaflet shows the epidermis on both the sides, upper as well as lower side. The upper one is called as upper epidermis and lower as lower epidermis. It is single layered, and on both the epidermis it is covered by a cuticle, and in between upper and lower epidermis the mesophyll cells are present. The mesophyll consists of two types of cells, palisade cells and spongy parenchyma. The palisade cells are elongated and they are compactly arranged on the below the upper epidermis, and below palisade layer spongy parenchyma is present, having large number of intercellular spaces. Both the palisade cells and spongy parenchyma cells contain chloroplast in them. That's why they perform the function of photosynthesis. In the midrib region, there is a vascular bundle covered by a single layer endodermis, in which the concentric vascular bundle is present, means the xylem element remains surrounded by fluid. And in aquatic, as Marsilea it is aquatic as well as terrestrial. In aquatic species, the stomata are present on the upper epidermis, while in terrestrial species the stomata are present on upper epidermis as well as lower epidermis. And this is about the vertical section of leaflet. Means in vertical section it shows upper epidermis and lower epidermis, and the stomata are present in case of aquatic species on the upper epidermis, while in terrestrial species the stomata are present on upper as well as lower epidermis. In between, and both the epidermis get covered by means of a thick cuticle. In between upper and lower epidermis, mesophyll cells are present. These mesophyll cells consist of two types of cells, palisade cells and spongy parenchyma. The palisade cells are present towards the upper epidermis, while the spongy parenchyma is present towards the lower epidermis. Both palisade cells and spongy parenchyma cells contain chloroplast in them, and they perform the function of photosynthesis for food preparation. Spongy parenchyma, it is rounded cells having large number of intercellular spaces, and exchange of gases takes place through the stomata, which are present in terrestrial species on both the epidermis, while in aquatic species the stomata are present on the upper epidermis. This is about the vertical section of leaflet of Marsilea. Then reproduction. In case of Marsilea, reproduction takes place by means of three methods: vegetative reproduction, and asexual reproduction, and sexual reproduction. Vegetative reproduction takes place by means of tubers, means the rounded bodies containing reserve food material in them in the form of eye globules are developed on the subterranean rhizome, which is underground part, and these tubers tide over the unfavorable condition, and on the approach of favorable condition, these tubers get detached from the parent plant and they develop into new Marsillia plant. Asexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction takes place by means of formation of spores, and the spores which are formed in a fruiting body known as sporocarp. And the sporocarp are formed sporocarp, it is globular body, and they remain attached to the petiole by means of stalk. It is also called as raphe. And at the terminal end of raphe, there are spine-like structures called as tubercle. They are stout and strong. When the sporocarp is young, means just growing, that time it is green in color and soft. While when it matures, it becomes thick and brown in color. The Marsillia plant, it is heterosporous, means there are some small spores and bigger spores. The smaller spores are called microspores, while the bigger spores are called megaspores. Means each spore, generally the single sporocarp is formed from the base of the petiole, while in some species it ranges from 2 to 10 sporocarp on each petiole. Means the Marsillia, it is heterosporous, means microspores and megaspores are formed in microsporangia and megasporangia. Microspore after germination gives rise to male gametophyte, while megaspore on germination gives rise to female gametophyte. Means in a fruiting body which is called as sporocarp, both the type of microspores and megaspores are formed. Therefore, it is heterosporous, and these spores, microspores, are formed in microsporangia, megaspores are formed in megasporangia. After germination of microspores, it gives rise to male gametophyte, while after germination of megaspore, it gives rise to female gametophyte. On male gametophyte, antheridia are developed, while on female gametophyte, archegonia. And in antheridia male gamete, antherozyte. And in female archegonia, egg. Female gamete, egg are formed. Then these antherozytes are like a spring-like structure having basal vesicle and multiflagellate. And archegonium consists of a single neck canal cell, ventral canal cell single, and bigger egg cell. Means in Archegonia marcellia, it is globular structure or flask-like structure, smaller. It contains in neck region single neck canal cell and in venter single venter canal cell and egg cell. Venter canal cell and neck canal cell, they are smaller as compared to egg cell. At the time of fertilization, neck canal cell and venter canal cell disorganize and form a passage through which enter number of male gametes, antherozoids, and one of the antherozoids enter through the neck and it fertilizes the egg. After fertilization, it forms into a zygote. Zygote is the beginning of sporophytic generation because haploid male gamete fusses with the haploid egg nucleus and it forms into a diploid zygote after fertilization. Means diploid zygote, it is the beginning of sporophytic generation, while the formation of the spore, megaspore and adjuvant microspore, it is the beginning of gametophytic generation. In this manner, the reproduction in marcellia takes place. It takes place by means of vegetative method, asexual method, and sexual reproduction takes place after formation of male gametophyte and female gametophyte. On male gametophytes, it gives rise to male sex organ antheridia. In antheridia, androcyte cells are formed. Then each androcyte cell gives rise to male gamete antherozoid, which is multiflagellate having a vesicle. At the lower end, and at the anterior end there are number of flagella. And on female gametophyte, Archegonia are formed. It is a flask-shaped structure having neck and venter. In venter canal cell and egg cell is present, while in neck single neck canal cell is present. And at the time of fertilization, neck canal cell and venter canal cell disorganize and form mucilaginous mass which attract the male gametes, and when they come near to the Archegonia, one of the antherozoids enter through the neck and it fertilizes the egg. After fertilization, it develops into a zygote. Zygote is the beginning of sporophytic generation. Means this zygote later on develops into embryo and embryo up to into the new marcellia sporophyte. This is about the reproduction and life cycle of marcellia. In next period, we study about the different structures of HLS, VLS and transverse section of sporocarp. बंद करू का?